What's the meaning of cobalt? Cobalt. Cobalt.
Cobalt. Cobalt. Cobalt is a chemical element with the symbol Co and atomic number 27. It is a hard, silvery gray metal that has various industrial applications. Cobalt is used to make alloys with other metals, including superalloys used in jet engines and gas turbines. It is also used to make magnets, batteries, and catalysts for the petroleum and chemical industries. Cobalt can be toxic if ingested in large amounts, and there are concerns about its environmental impact, especially related to its mining and extraction. Overall, cobalt plays an important role in modern technology but requires careful management to ensure sustainability.